Manual media planning. It's a silent killer of your marketing success. You think your budget is set, your ROAS is on track, and your platforms are optimized. But then, reality hits.
Ad spend vanishes, conversions drop, and profit slips away. And you are left staring at the screen thinking, what went wrong? The truth is, most marketers are flying blind, guessing, hoping, and wasting their precious hours in trying to fix what should have worked. But what if you could see everything, predict outcomes, and adjust everything all in seconds? This isn't just another tool. This is the difference between scaling up and burning out. Stay with me because once you see this, there's no going back. For those who are new to media planning, let's break it down. A media plan is something which helps you spend smarter, not harder. It answers critical questions like, where should I invest my budget? Which platform will bring the best ROAS? And how many conversions can I expect? A well-built media plan is your roadmap to profitability, ensuring every dollar works efficiently. But making one manually, it's slow, it's tedious, and let's face it, it's way too complex. I'm Siddharth, and in this video you will see how to create a fully optimized media plan in seconds without the spreadsheets, guesswork, and hours of manual work. And the best part, you don't have to do any heavy lifting. Strique's media planner does it all for you in just a few clicks. Let me show you how easy it is. First, just enter your key business metrics, your monthly investment, how much you are spending on ads monthly, your time frame, how long you want a plan to cover, your average order value so we can predict your revenue, your CPC, your conversion rate, and your CTR. So we can calculate your expected results. Then enter some basic info about your brand, like your brand name and your contact details, and that's it. No complicated formulas, no spreadsheets, it's all done in seconds. And just like that, your fully customized media plan is ready. Now here's what you get in the Strique's media plan. Platform-wise spend distribution. See exactly where your budget is going, whether it's Meta, Google, or any other channel. Suppose you're running ads across multiple platforms. This helps you instantly see if you are overspending on one platform while another, more profitable one, is underutilized. Moving on to orders and sales by platform. Estimate how many orders you will generate per platform and your projected sales. Suppose you're planning your next month's budget, but you need a realistic estimate of how many sales you can expect from each platform. So this breakdown helps you set clear sales goals. Moving on to the sales and spend graph. This is a clear visual representation of how your budget and revenue are distributed over time. If your sales dip while ad spend remains constant, this graph helps you spot inefficiencies so you can adjust your campaigns accordingly. Now let's move on to ROAS Trend.
This trend shows your ROAS changes month by month, helping you spot patterns and make smarter budget decisions.
Next, we have cost metric comparison.
This comparison shows your cost per click and cost per purchase side by side so you can easily track spending efficiency.
Next, we have impressions and clicks by platform. Get an accurate engagement forecast for each channel. This can be used while you are launching a new campaign and want to know which platform will get the most visibility. So this helps in deciding where to focus the creative effort. The next is conversion rate trend. Understand how your conversion rates are expected to perform over time. Next we have is cost per click trend. Track how your CPC changes over time and optimize for better cost efficiency. This trend helps you adjust your budget before costs get out of your hand. All of this neatly structured and calculated for you, tailored for your business. Now if you need to make adjustments, no problem. You can edit any part of your media plan instantly and generate a new optimized version. Maybe if you want to test a higher budget, adjust your CPC and see how a low conversion rate affects your revenue projections. Just tweak the numbers and regenerate. And in seconds, you will have a refined plan that aligns perfectly with your strategy. So forget the spreadsheets, get a clear data-backed media plan in seconds. Like, why waste hours when you can do this in seconds? Try Strique's media planner today. Just head on to strique.io and under the resources tab you will find this media planner tool. And if this video helped you out, just like, share and subscribe for more marketing insights. Thanks for watching.